Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the World Oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Thesan, renowned as the Etruscan goddess of youthfulness, vitality, and enlightenment. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Thesan. What does Thesan represent in mythology? In Etruscan mythology, Thesan is the goddess of the dawn. She is associated with the rising of the sun, the breaking of dawn, and the awakening of the world each day. Thesan is depicted as a radiant and youthful goddess, often portrayed with wings and a torch to symbolize the light she brings. She is a symbol of hope, new beginnings, and the transition from darkness to light. Thesan's role in Etruscan mythology represents the cyclical nature of time and the continuous renewal of life. She is revered as a divine figure who ushers in a new day, illuminating the world and bringing blessings and vitality to all. Thesan embodies the vibrant energy and life force that emerges with the rising sun. She brings a sense of vitality, inspiration, and enthusiasm, reminding us of the power and beauty of life. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Thesan. The Sacred Dawn. Unraveling the luminous archetype of Thesan. The archetype of Thesan encompasses several significant qualities. First and foremost, she represents illumination, symbolizing the light that breaks through the darkness and brings forth clarity, insight, and enlightenment. Thesan's archetype also embodies renewal and transformation, reflecting the cyclical nature of life and the transformative power of the dawn. Additionally, Thesan signifies vitality and energy, embodying the zest for life, passion, and vibrancy associated with the rising sun. Her archetype represents awakening and expanded awareness, inviting individuals to embrace new perspectives, uncover hidden truths, and deepen their understanding of themselves and the world. Thesan also embodies the harmonious balance between opposing forces, emphasizing the need for equilibrium and the recognition of the interplay between light and darkness, day and night. Moreover, her archetype encompasses transcendence and spirituality, encouraging individuals to seek spiritual truths, inner growth, and a connection to the divine. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Thesan. Light of the divine, the sun and Thesan's illuminating presence. Symbols associated with Goddess Thesan include the radiant sun, symbolizing her illuminating and life-giving energy. Wings, representing her ability to transcend and navigate between darkness and light. And the torch, which signifies the light she carries to illuminate the path of awakening and enlightenment. Plants associated with the sun include sunflowers, symbolizing her radiant energy and connection to illumination and enlightenment. Morning glory flowers, representing the transient beauty and transformative qualities of the dawn she embodies. And lavender, which signifies her soothing and calming energies, representing serenity, purification, and spiritual healing. Animals associated with Thesan include the rooster, heralding the arrival of a new day and representing her awakening and vitality. Swallows, migratory birds associated with the return of spring and the cycles of renewal, symbolizing Thesan's connection to seasonal rhythms and the cyclical nature of awakening and rebirth. And butterflies, representing transformation, growth, and the emergence of beauty, symbolizing Thesan's transformative powers and her role in guiding individuals through personal growth and awakening. Part 4. The story of Goddess Thesan. Dawn's divine radiance, Thesan's celestial aura and inspirational essence. In the golden age of ancient Etruria, a captivating goddess known as Thesan graced the world. She embodied the essence of light, renewal, and transformation, infusing every encounter with hope and inspiration. Her celestial aura touched the hearts of all who crossed her path, illuminating their spirits and igniting a spark of limitless possibilities. Thesan, with her flowing golden hair and eyes that sparkled like the morning sun, would emerge every dawn, casting her radiant glow upon the world. As she stepped forward, the darkness would dissipate, replaced by the warm embrace of her illuminating energy. The birds would sing joyfully, and the flowers would bloom in harmony with her arrival. In the hearts of the people, Thesan instilled a sense of awakening and awareness. She inspired them to embrace the potential for personal growth and transformation. With each new day, they witnessed the cyclical nature of life, symbolized by Thesan's presence. They learned to let go of what no longer served them and welcomed the opportunity for renewal. Thesan had a special connection with nature, and the plants and animals revered her. Sunflowers would turn their faces towards her, basking in her radiant energy. The morning glory flowers would unfurl their delicate petals, mirroring the fleeting beauty of the dawn that Thesan embodied. Lavender would release its calming fragrance, a tribute to her soothing and healing powers. Among the creatures of the earth, the rooster would herald her arrival with its resounding crow, announcing the beginning of a new day filled with possibilities. Swallows would dance through the sky, celebrating the return of spring and the cycles of renewal that Thesan represented. Butterflies, with their vibrant wings, symbolized the transformative journey she guided individuals on, inspiring them to embrace their own metamorphosis. Thesan's realm extended beyond the physical world. She invited seekers to embark on a spiritual journey of self-discovery and transcendence. Through her guidance, they explored the depths of their souls, discovering hidden truths and embracing their divine nature. Thesan reminded them that they were more than their physical form and that their spirits held the power to create and transform their reality. As the ages passed, the stories of Thesan were passed down through generations, carrying the wisdom of her archetype. Even today, her essence continues to inspire individuals on their paths of personal growth and awakening. Her qualities of illumination, renewal, vitality, and connection remain ever present, reminding us to embrace the power of the dawn within ourselves and to radiate light and transformation into the world. In the realm of mythology, the goddess Thesan lives on as a guiding beacon of hope, renewal, and spiritual awakening for all who seek her divine presence. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation. Tapping into the power of the Thesan archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace the power of light and awareness. Inspired by the archetype of goddess Thesan, one personal transformation strategy is to cultivate a daily practice of bringing light and awareness to your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Neuroscience suggests that self-awareness practices can promote positive brain changes and enhance overall well-being. By consciously illuminating your inner landscape and observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment, you can develop metacognition. Metacognition refers to the ability to think about one's own thinking processes, beliefs, and emotions. It helps develop self-awareness by providing insights into how we perceive and interpret information, make decisions, solve problems, and navigate our internal and external experiences. Strategy 2. Tap into the power of collaboration. The archetype of Thesan also inspires a strategy centered on the power of connection and collaboration. To support personal transformation, seek opportunities for meaningful connections with others, fostering a sense of belonging and mutual support. Engage in collaborative endeavors, recognizing the power of synergy and collective wisdom. By embracing the idea that we are all connected and that our actions ripple through the interconnected web of existence, you can tap into the transformative power of unity. Strategy 3. Cultivating knowledge. Engage in practices that expand your intellectual and spiritual horizons, such as reading books, attending lectures, or participating in workshops. Embrace a lifelong learning mindset and seek to acquire new skills and insights. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. Anardai Shukri Sam 1 Argstaum. Find a peaceful outdoor space where you can witness the beauty of the rising sun. Begin by creating a serene ambiance, lighting the incense and placing it in a safe location. Set the candle in the center, symbolizing the radiant presence of Thesan. 2. Close your eyes and visualize a warm, golden light enveloping your body, connecting you with the energy of Thesan. 3. Open your eyes and light the candle, symbolizing the illumination of Thesan's presence. Speak aloud or silently recite an invocation, expressing your intention to honor and connect with the goddess. 4. Place the dish or bowl in front of the candle. Take a moment to reflect on the qualities you admire in Thesan, her transformative power, her radiance, and her ability to inspire. Offer a heartfelt expression of gratitude and appreciation, placing fresh flowers in the dish as an offering. 5. Sit in quiet contemplation and meditate on the renewal and transformation you seek in your own life. Journal any insights or inspirations that arise during this introspective time. 6. Express your gratitude to Thesan for her presence and guidance. Extinguish the candle as a symbolic completion of the ritual. Take a moment to offer a final prayer or affirmation, expressing your intentions for the day ahead. 7. Carry the energy and wisdom of Thesan with you throughout your day. Be open to signs and synchronicities that may arise, guiding you towards growth and renewal. Whenever you need inspiration or guidance, revisit your journal and reflect on the insights gained during this ritual. A final message. Words of wisdom from Thesan. Optimism shapes a better future. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep the